Hey SHEFIT sisters, today on SHEFIT, we're going to be making a faux mousse. What does that mean exactly? You'll have to find out. So for our faux mousse, usually it's a heavy cream base that we whip to almost form a whipped cream, and then we add chocolate into that. But today we're actually using a Greek yogurt base. This is a 2% milk fat base, so it's gonna whip up just a little bit, but it's not gonna give us the same fat content that a normal mousse had using that heavy whipping cream. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just start to whip this Greek yogurt up. So now that the Greek yogurt is whipped up a little bit, all I do is add in some sugar. Not too much, just 2 teaspoons. A little bit of milk, and then just a splash of vanilla. And then we're gonna whip that again for about 15 to 20 seconds. And now for my favorite part, we're gonna add in our dark chocolate. So this is just a 70% dark chocolate that we melted down. And you can melt this in the microwave using increments of about 10 seconds to 30 seconds, and then stirring it in between. Or you can use something called a double boiler, where you bring a pot of water to a boil, and then you set another bowl or a pot right on top, and you melt the chocolate down that way. So now we're just gonna whip this again for about another 15 to 30 seconds. We're gonna go ahead and put this in our piping bag, and it has that really nice mousse consistency right now. And this is also a great recipe to make ahead of time too, because it can sit in your refrigerator for about 2 to 3 days and still be just as great as the day you made it. If you don't have piping bags at home either, you can just use a Ziploc bag and then just twist it up in your Ziploc bag and then cut just a little tip on the end. So you don't need pastry bags or anything fancy to do this either. Now I'm just gonna fill my cups here. And it's about 1/3 of a cup per serving. And once I have all these cups filled, they just go back into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to set up, and then we'll bring them back out and we'll do some fun toppings. Now that it's been about 30 minutes, we have some of our additional toppings that will go on our mousse, and that is a little bit of whipped topping and some dark chocolate shavings. So these are really great for just an after-school snack, after dinner dessert. It's nice because they feel indulgent, but they're not. They have that light Greek yogurt, they have the dark chocolate, so it's really the perfect little sweet treat without being too much of a treat. And that is how we make an easy faux dark chocolate mousse. Thank you so much for watching SHEFIT this week. My name is Jen, and you can go to shefit.com for all of these delicious recipes. I'm gonna enjoy one of these chocolate mousses now, so I'll see you next time.